This article addresses digital competencies based on the notion of digital citizenship in Spain, with the aim of studying the gender-digital divide in terms of capabilities, skills and knowledge, and the possibility of taking advantage of them to promote civic education. The results of the descriptive analysis show that, although there is relative equality of conditions between men and women in terms of technical and informational digital skills with a slight dominance of women, men claim to have more critical knowledge. More information in Communicar Journal.